Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable an integrated camera or webcam that's built into a Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Just click on the Start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager here. Go ahead and left click on that one time to open up Device Manager. So underneath Device Manager, if you did have any cameras, there should be a section that says Cameras. You go ahead and double click on that, and then whatever cameras are underneath, you go ahead and right click on it, and then just left click on Disable Device. So again, I don't actually have the camera section on this machine for several reasons, but there should be an area that says Cameras. You go either double click on it or left click on a little arrow next to it to drop it down, and then whatever came up underneath Cameras, you want to go right click on it and then left click on Disable Device. So pretty straightforward. So again, there's only a few options when you right click on an actual device in here. So just select Disable Device when you see your camera section. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.